Reinforcing a rental property door shifts responsibilities between landlord and tenant depending on who approves, pays for, and installs the upgrade. When a tenant requests a reinforcement like a longer strike plate, door jamb reinforcement plate, or a hardened deadbolt installation, we advise starting with a clear written proposal that lists the exact hardware, the installer qualifications if professional help is used, and whether the tenant will fund the work. If the landlord agrees to the change but wants ownership of the new hardware, make sure that is recorded so there is no dispute at move-out about removal or reimbursement. If the tenant pays but the lease prohibits alterations, propose a reversible method such as a reinforced strike plate that can be installed with original hardware reuse in mind or using a surface-mounted security bar that does no lasting damage. For installations, require screws no shorter than 3 inches into the stud for strike plates and hinge reinforcement to get meaningful resistance against forced entry, and recommend using grade 1 deadbolts for the highest standard of mechanical security. Document condition with dated photos before and after, and keep invoices and written approvals to resolve liability questions like who pays for repairs after damage during a break-in. If local building codes or fire egress rules apply, check them first because some modifications can create legal safety issues that fall on the property owner. Common mistakes are making unauthorized permanent changes that violate the lease and create conflict at move-out. The cure is to request written permission and offer to restore original hardware or cover restoration costs. Another frequent issue is using inadequate fasteners or thin plates that give a false sense of security. Remedy this by specifying 3-inch screws into framing and grade 1 components. A third problem is neglecting legal and safety rules such as locking that impedes emergency exit or failing to check local codes. Avoid this by confirming code compliance with the landlord or local building department and choosing solutions that preserve egress. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners and contractors connect around projects like door reinforcement so we can find local professionals and post project questions. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share installation tips, product experiences, and contractor recommendations.